Hello, I'm Sister Nida of the Carmelite Missionaries, now assigned in Shiga Block. Peace be with you. Peace. Do not be afraid. After Jesus' resurrection, these were his assuring greetings to his troubled and frightened disciples. Then they believed, followed, and proclaimed Jesus' teachings on love. And this spread throughout the world. This assurance is needed also in our present times. We are in the midst of many chaos, troubles, crimes, and wars around us, and even within ourselves. We all need this peace, not only in words, but especially to put it into life. In our daily living. How shall we attain this peace? There is a song with words, "Let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with me." Peace starts from ourselves. May peace be in our hearts, then within our families and communities. This will spread in our workplace, parishes, schools, and in the society. For me, love and peace go together. When there is love, there is peace. Love of God above all things, love of neighbors as ourselves, result to peace within and around us. Love is to will the good of the other, to forgive and avoid revenge to those who have hurt or done wrong to us. There is peace in a family where love is expressed in caring, listening, and forgiving each other. There is peace in the school where bullying and favoritism is converted to helping and appreciating each other. There is peace in a community or parish when harassment, gossips, and competition are changed into cooperation, respect, and collaboration. These good things will spread around us in the society where we live. As we journey with hope during these troubled times, may the peace of Jesus Christ be in our hearts, shared to others, and bear fruit in joy within us and around us. Thank you.